Welcome everyone back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my homemade deep conditioner. Here are the ingredients I'm going to be using: banana, egg, avocado and olive oil. And for the blending I'm going to be using my aloe vera juice. You can add water if you want. Everything is nicely blended and smooth, so I'm going to be sieving it in order to prevent the particles from getting stuck into my hair. I'm done applying the deep conditioner into my hair. I'll just keep it in my hair for at least 45 to 1 hour, covering it with a plastic bag. Once that is done, then I will rinse it off, shampoo my hair with my regular shampoo, condition it, and then put it in a protective style. This is the end of this video. I hope it helped. Thank you all so much for watching, and I would love to see you all again in my next video. Bye bye.